Breastfeeding at night can be a challenging task for tired moms. The exhaustion of caring for a newborn can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to nighttime feedings. However, there are some tips and tricks that can help make the process a little bit easier. First and foremost, it's important to create a comfortable and relaxing environment for breastfeeding at night. This means dimming the lights, playing soft music, and using a comfortable chair or nursing pillow. Creating a calming atmosphere can help both you and your baby relax during nighttime feedings. It's also important to establish a nighttime feeding routine. This can help signal to your baby that it's time to sleep and can help you both get back to sleep more quickly after the feeding is done. Try to feed your baby at the same time each night and keep the lights low to avoid stimulating your baby too much. Another tip for nighttime breastfeeding is to make sure you're getting enough rest during the day. This might mean taking naps when your baby naps or asking for help from friends and family members so you can get some much-needed rest. The more rested you are during the day, the easier it will be to handle nighttime feedings. It's also important to stay hydrated during nighttime feedings. Breastfeeding can be dehydrating, especially during the night when you might not be drinking as much water. Keep a water bottle next to your nursing chair so you can easily stay hydrated during nighttime feedings. If you're struggling with nighttime feedings, don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from your partner, a lactation consultant, or a support group. There are resources available to help you navigate the challenges of breastfeeding at night. Don't be afraid to reach out for support when you need it. One common issue that moms face during nighttime feedings is nipple pain. This can be caused by a poor latch, thrush, or other issues. If you're experiencing nipple pain during nighttime feedings, it's important to address the issue as soon as possible. A lactation consultant can help you identify the cause of the pain and work with you to find a solution. Another tip for nighttime breastfeeding is to make sure you're comfortable during the feeding. This might mean using a nursing pillow, adjusting your position, or using a breastfeeding pillow. Finding a comfortable position can help both you and your baby relax during nighttime feedings. It's also important to remember that nighttime feedings won't last forever. As your baby grows and develops, they will eventually start sleeping for longer stretches at night. In the meantime, try to cherish the quiet moments you have with your baby during nighttime feedings. These moments can be a special time for bonding with your little one. In conclusion, breastfeeding at night can be a challenging task for tired moms. However, with the right tips and tricks, you can make the process a little bit easier. Creating a comfortable environment, establishing a nighttime feeding routine, staying hydrated, and seeking support when needed are all important steps to take when navigating nighttime feedings. Remember that nighttime feedings won't last forever, and try to cherish the quiet moments you have with your baby during these special times.